Hello everyone, I am Aaradhna Soni from Sage University Bhopal, Department of Engineering and Technology. So, I discussed about the data communication and topic is signal encoding. So, we move further and discuss that how to deal with signal encoding techniques. So let's move on. This is the signal encoding techniques. So what is signal encoding techniques? What is the encoding? First of all, they discuss about the encoding words. What is encoding and decoding? So encoding is the process of converting the data for a given sequence of characteristics, character, symbols, alphabets, etc. into a specified format for the secure transmission of data. And decoding is the reverse process of encoding, which is to extract the information from the converted format. So this is the encoding in data communication. And the data communication, we learn lots of techniques and methods to how to secure the data in the transmission. So we learn and move further. What is the techniques and methods? So first of all, we have four techniques. First is digital to digital, second is analog to digital, third is digital to analog, and fourth is analog to analog. And we discuss first digital to digital conversion methods. To digital encoding is representation of digital information by a digital signal. When binary ones and zeros generated by the computer are translated into sequence of voltage pulses that can be propagated over wire. This process is known as digital to digital encoding. So after that, in the block diagram, we discuss how to digital to digital transfer. So first of all, we taken the binary bits 0 1 0 triple 1 0 1, and this bit of sequence is translate to digital encoding. And how to translate? So these bits of sequence is transform the form of the signal, and 0 represent the constant, it means no transition and the 0 level, and 1 is represent to positive, and in this 0 represent is constant, that is 0, and 1 is represented to positive. So like that, the sequence beat, if the sequence beat is given 0 1 0 1 1 0, so according to the methods, the positive and negatives is so on. So let's discuss the first method of the digital to digital encoding. In this first methods, the unipolar encoding, second is polar encoding, and third is bipolar encoding. So we discuss the unipolar encoding. What is the unipolar encoding? In digital to digital encoding, they categorize unipolar, polar and bipolar. So let's discuss what is the unipolar. Unipolar is digital transmission system, sends the voltage pulse over the medium link such as wire or cable. And in the most types of encoding, one voltage level represents 0 and another voltage level represents 1. The polarities of each pulse determine whether it is positive or negative. This type of encoding is known as unipolar encoding, as it is used as only one polarities. In unipolar encoding, the polarities is assigned to the one binary state, and in this ones are represented as positive values and 0 are represented as 0 values. And in unipolar encoding, 1 is considered as high voltage and 0 is considered as 0 voltage. Unipolar encoding is simpler and inexpensive to implement. So let's discuss about the unipolar. So we look at the unipolar sequence of bits and how to represent the form of signal. So this is the graph of time and amplitude. So this is the given bit of sequence of bit in the form of binary 0 1 0 0 1 0, and 0 is represented is 0 voltage, it means 0, and 1 is represent the high voltage and this is the 1. So according to voltage level, 0 is represented, so 0 is constant, and 1 is represented to high level, it means positive. So this signal is move on to high level and positive, and after that 0 again 0, so again 0 is attained to constant, it means 0 level, and again 1 is represent, 1 is occurs, so 1 is represent to positive, and again 0 is represent to 0. So like that, this according to bit of sequence, this signal is like this. So I hope you like my lecture and the method. So again we meet the next lecture and next method. Till now watching my lecture, and thank you.